Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we discuss about the poem Trees by Charles Baudelaire. So, first we know about the poem means what the poem tells us. See here, this poem is based the list of advantages in our lives. So it talks about both materialistic and aesthetic uses of tree. So it talks about both materialistic and aesthetic. Here materialistic means something related to money, and aesthetic means something related to beauty. So this poem shows the poet's love for trees. So this poem tells us about the materialistic uses, aesthetic uses. Then this poem shows how the poet love for trees. Okay, so first I read the poem, then line by line I explain you. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swing swings on, trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, trees are to have tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in, trees are to make cool shade in summer, trees are to make no shade in winter, trees are for apples to grow on and pierce, trees are to chop down and call timber, trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint, trees make fathers say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Charles Baudelaire. So children, see the first line, trees are for birds. So children, trees are very helpful for birds because they make nest in the trees and get a food from trees. So it is very useful for birds. Next, trees are for children. So here trees are help to children to play the swing, and then they use it to children or use it to play around these trees and play under the shadow of the trees. So these type of trees will help the children. Next, trees are to make tree houses in. So here some people are used the trees to make a small tree houses. Okay, so trees also helps to living for people. So see children, trees, some people are used to make a small tree houses for enjoying purpose. Okay, for some taking rest purpose, so they do like that. Then they use the trees for making a small tree house. Next, trees are to sing swings on. Here children, they are used to branches of trees for swings. Yes, you also know that when you were young, you caught, then you do the swings on the branches of the tree, people tree, like the tree you do like that, and then you play that type of playing. Next, trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are for the wind to blow through. So sometimes the big wind blow through the trees. So on that time all leaves are falling. Down. It is helpful for in a autumn or spring season, because on that time the blow is very fast. So that helps to taken away from the soil. So leaves of the trees are helps to not taken away the leaves, because they conserve the soil. Next, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. So children, here some children are more enjoyed by using the trees by playing of hide and seek, in hide behind the trees to play the hide and seek, and then tree monkey, like these type of games they used the trees. Next, trees are to have tree tea parties under. See, some people or invite the friends to having party, so they used the shade of the trees and make the party. So some people are used the trees to make a tea parties under the tree. Next, trees are for kites to get caught in. So children, here sometimes children climb the tree because their kites are get caught in the trees, because they can climb the tree and then they get the kite. Next, trees are to make cool shade in summer. So this is very important line. Trees are to make a cool shade in summer. So in the summer days the sun is very hot. Yes, so many people are used the trees to take the rest for some time in the summer season. Okay, they were traveling, they want to heat the food at a traveling time, so on that time they used the shadows of the tree. They sit under the tree and then they can take the rest. Next, trees are to make no shade in winter. So usually in a winter season trees are become bare. In this season trees are not able to provide any shadows because the leaves of the trees are fallen. Next, trees are for apples to grow on and pears. So see here, trees are give plenty and variety of fruits to us. So everyone wants to tasty fruits from the trees. So everyone get the help of this help from the trees, means they get tastefully fruit by the trees. Next, trees are to chop down and call timber. So here trees also provide us woods, so that woods we use it for to make a building and furniture. Next, trees make mothers say what a lovely picture to paint. So usually the mothers are looking at trees and say to their children, what a lovely picture it is to draw you. Okay, so usually your mother is say like that. So there is a picture of a tree here, so you have to, when you were young, your mother is say like that, it is a what a lovely picture of coconut tree, mango tree, so you have to write. Okay. Next, trees make fathers say what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. So usually in the autumn season leaves are fall down, so usually father was said to their children, what a lot of leaves to clean the land. So come, so even in Sunday come and clean the in around of the houses. So next, the themes of this poem. The main theme of this poem is a relationship between trees and human beings. So very good relationship between human beings and trees and human beings. So without trees human beings will not survive, without human being trees will not survive. Next, importance of the trees. So in this poem we get the idea of what is the importance of the trees. So this is main theme of the poem. It is written by Charles Baur. So this is the day of our poem, children. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.